Ladies and gents, couple of big stories in the crypto space over the last 24 hours that we need to go over. Voyager Digital finally starting to pay back some of the clients. We're going to go over when you can expect to receive money, how much money you can receive. We're also going to go over some important things going on with Cardano. It surpassed 2 key milestones and a few other things. So if you enjoy this sort of content, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel. Let's jump right in, starting off with the overall crypto market. Starting off, right now, the crypto market is sitting at a $1.1 trillion market cap, and we're seeing Bitcoin hovering just above $23,000 per coin in the same range where it has been over the last few weeks. We've seen Bitcoin hovering right between that $22,000 to $23,000, $24,000 per coin range, and over the next couple of days, it's going to be very important that we see Bitcoin hold above this 200-week moving average. And I know we talk about it in basically every single video, but this is a key indicator for the market. We have looked at this indicator for years, and historically, this is a very good sign as to where the market is going. So right now, we are just above the 200-week moving average, which is at 22,700, and we're going to need to see this weekly close stay above this to maintain this short-term bullish outlook. Next thing I want to talk about, though, is going to be with what is going on with Voyager Digital. So Voyager Digital filed for Chapter 11 bankruptcy back in July, but now, according to a new post, they're going to begin processing cash withdrawals next week on August 11th, 2022. Thursday, August 11th, 2022 is when you can start withdrawing cash from your account on Voyager Digital. So this is great news. The one thing to be a little bit concerned about is that they have $270 million that they can pay back out to clients and customers. This isn't going to cover everything. And also the other thing is that each person can withdraw $100,000 every 24 hours. So they said every 24 hours, you can withdraw $100,000 from your account, and you can expect to receive it within 5 to 10 days of requesting it. So I would recommend anyone who has money on the platform, regardless of how much it is, as soon as it hits Thursday, August 11th, go ahead, withdraw your funds immediately so you don't miss out, you don't get stuck not getting all of your funds back, or you have any issues. So as soon as you can, make sure to withdraw that money on August 11th, Thursday. So keep an eye out on that. I want to quickly interrupt today's video to bring you a word from our brand new channel partner, Verox. Verox is a cryptocurrency platform that utilizes exclusive AI trading tools to tell you exactly when to buy and sell over 8,000 different cryptocurrencies for profit with a proven 85% accuracy. This is an extremely useful tool during periods of high volatility like we have been seeing as of recently, because it's able to sell before a dip, protect your profits, and minimize your losses. In addition to this, at the core of Verox is these artificial intelligence generated signals. And these are the most accurate real-time signals in the market based on proven data. And not only this, they also are currently linked up to Binance. Some of examples of these signals in real-time tests were with Cardano, Polkadot, Ethereum, Bitcoin, where people were able to profit more than 100x their money, turning $10,000 into over $13 million. One thing to remember, though, is that the back testing occurred during the most profitable period of this recent bull run and does not account for exchange fees or liquidity. Verox is the only all-in-one artificial intelligence investment and analysis toolkit for crypto and DeFi that fuse both human expertise and artificial intelligence with machine learning. In addition to this, the Verox token, VRX, has an ultra-low supply at 47,500 VRX with 18% staking and amazing utility. Verox AI subscriptions must be paid in Verox, and this only drives up the value of the project long term. Verox products, Verox AI, and Verox DEX are currently in beta, but I definitely think it is worth checking out. Verox AI is available for iOS, Android, and web at veroxai.io. It's free to use for the time being, and I've been using it as of recently. So make sure to use my link in the description. Check out Verox today and let me know your thoughts on this platform. Anyways, back to the program. Next thing I want to talk about is going to be what is going on with Cardano, because we've had a few key updates and key announcements take place. First is going to be that Cardano whales have purchased $138 million of ADA in the last 8 days. You can see this post from Sentiment, and you could see that addresses holding between 10K and 10 million ADA have added a significant amount of Cardano to their wallets just since the end of July. You can see this massive uptick really just in the last couple of days. This is because we have a couple of big announcements coming out with the Vassal hard fork. We know what's going to happen. It's just a matter of time, and a lot of whales are preparing for a big rally, not only with the overall crypto market, but that coupled with the big announcements and big upgrades going on with Cardano should propel Cardano significantly higher, potentially even back to that $1 per coin range very quickly. Moving on, let's go over two big milestones that Cardano just achieved. We just surpassed 3,000 total Plutus scripts. In addition to that number, we also surpassed 3.5 million ADA wallets. And you would think that during a bear market, during a consolidation period, you wouldn't see that sort of increase for wallet addresses, for development taking place with Plutus scripts, but we're seeing that happen. And a lot of this has to do with the fact that Cardano's ecosystem is actually being used, and Charles Hoskinson is pushing this in like the continent of Africa, all across Africa. He's working with a number of countries. We're also seeing that this new upgrade that's coming out is continuing to propel development for Cardano forward despite what's going on in the market. And we can see with their weekly development report that they put out every single Friday that Cardano announced that they have 93 projects that have launched on Cardano, 1,048 that are currently being built, 5.7 million native tokens, and we're continuing to see more and more development take place every single day. Last thing I want to talk about with Cardano is going to be what is going on with a new partnership. So Cardano is now fully integrated for over 1.7 million users on Uphold. For those of you who aren't familiar, Uphold is a digital money, like a cryptocurrency platform with 1.7 million users, and they now have announced that all people who want to use Cardano on their platform can. They can deposit Cardano, they can stake Cardano on the platform, and now they have opened up all 1.7 million users to the Cardano blockchain. So ultimately, this is great for development and long-term adoption. We like to see more platforms using Cardano. We like to see more developers building on the network, and all this is just going to help contribute to long-term growth. So ultimately, that's what's going on. The main thing I would keep an eye out right now for the crypto market is going to be 200-week moving average for Bitcoin. We need to close the week above 22,700, which is that 200-week moving average. And the other thing is going to be with Voyager Digital. Anyone who had money on the platform needs to take it off on Thursday, August 11th. You need to be as fast as you can with that because they have $270 million to pay out to all of their clients, and you definitely want to make sure you are included in that. So ultimately, that's what's going on. Hope you enjoyed today's video. Hope you're having a great weekend, and I'll see you guys in the next episode.